I think for the most part, if you're really honest with yourself about what you want out of life, life gives it to you.
Yeah, don't get me wrong. I think may certain kinds of privileges na kinahanglan nimo para maka-achieve ka sa mga dreams. Yeah, so ma-prioritize yun na nimo over sa pag-chase at something na wala kay ba may tabo ba. It's a privilege good to be able to risk things. I don't think it's impossible though. Bisan pag unsang walk ka sa life, I don't think it is impossible na ma-achieve na tatong dreams. If you just say, yeah, this is really what I want and I'm gonna do everything I can to get it. I think in the end, makuha na to. And if dili bitaw, I think it's okay. I think the fact that you died knowing nga chase kag dream, I think that's very successful. And it's very, very yay! Okay. That was supposed to be motivational and wako idea on his squeak on voice.
Dream, 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 dream when I want you.
Okay, today I developed some sort of shame for my content. Kaya sa kay mamutotra ko sa camera niya o kayo. Actually, nana ko'y asawa. Pero what if mag-dating app ko puhon kung nag-divorce me? Niya, makita niya na mutot ko sa video. Di ba na siya ganahan ako? So I think lang dapat na ako mag-formal. What if masikat ko galit? Mahadlok ko, mamakita niya sige ko pangutot. Katong content creator kasi pangutot. About to go to the gym! I'm a gym girl. Cringe.
Can you feel it? Now it's coming back. Can you feel it? If we bridge this gap, I can see it through the curtains of the waterfall. When I lost it, you held my hand, but I tossed it. Even understand you were waiting as I dove into this waterfall.
Hindi siya kakanta ko iba itong par. Basta na ako sa gym niya mag-treadmill ko. Kaya murag feel na ako sa festival.
So say Geronimo.
Hindi ka na ako naabot sa gym. Pero ba naman ako exercise? Hindi ko kiba mo gamit sa mga bench dito. So kung buhaton kayo sa balay na ako mag-sit-ups para mag-ups ko. Kaya ka na eh. Weird na ko na. I feel like a dying whale.
Okay, yeah, so after any maligo ko sa pool. Kaya today is exercise day. I need to lose a lot of calories. And then this is it for the video. I think this is a great video. I think this is probably gonna be one of my favorite videos. Fuck, what would I go piano? Wait lang ka dito. Tanong man.
Bombs away, bombs away.